I finally got the opportunity to stay at two of Universal's new resorts. Terra Luna and Stella Nova are located right by Universal's new Epic Universe. I stayed at both of the resorts, but today I'm gonna deep dive into my stay at Terra Luna. We'll grab lunch at Terra Luna's pool bar, which is Moonrise Bar and Grill, and honestly, it might be one of the best pool bars in all of Orlando. And I'll give you a room tour of a standard room at both Terra Luna and Stella Nova. First, let's talk vibes when you're welcomed into this resort. It is all things space themed, which goes perfect with Epic Universe. For the price I paid to stay one night at these resorts, it's really on par with value resorts over at Disney World if you are looking for a comparison. One of the main centerpieces of this lobby, and definitely an upgrade, is Luna Bar. I love the option of having a bar in the lobby. This is open daily from 5 to 12 p.m. and features beer, wine, and cocktails. Also, right off the lobby is the Omega Cafe and Market. This is the perfect spot to go for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It features grab and go as well as classics like burgers, paninis, and fried chicken. And when you head outside, you can hit up the Moonrise Bar and Moonrise Grill. This is a full service bar featuring cocktails as well as a restaurant that serves poolside favorites. But let's head out to the pool bar outside in order to try the food. We hit up both Moonrise Bar and Moonrise Grill. First things first, we put in our order over at Moonrise Grill. They will give you a buzzer for when your order is ready, but if you are sitting at a lounge chair at the pool, one of the coolest things is they actually have QR codes where you can order your food. I think it's just an added luxury that makes this resort feel much more expensive than it is. Once our order was in, we decided to head over to the bar and try some of their signature cocktails. First up for drinks, we have the 7 Rings, which was a recommendation of the bartender. This is bullet bourbon with Grand Marnier, Cordon Rouge, muddled with fresh lemon, strawberry rose syrup, and a lemon sour for $16. First off, can we talk about how cute the presentation is of this drink? Like, when I put it into perspective, we're at a value resort. This is impressive. Petals could never, that's all I'm saying. But let's try this. She said 2 of the cocktails she recommended were on the sweeter side, and I was like, not my favorite. And she said, go with the 7 Rings. And I looked, and it was bourbon. And she's like, it is so smooth. And if I can have a bourbon drink at a pool bar, I'm here for it. Ooh. That's delicious. It's not one of those drinks either where the bourbon loses, you can't taste the bourbon. I love the lavender fog over at Enchanted Rose, but instead of gin, I like to get bourbon in it. You can't, it's so smooth. This is smooth, but you still get that little kick of bourbon. It is absolutely delicious. It's very light, even though it's bourbon. Lovely. And of course, what's a visit to a pool bar without a frozen cocktail? They actually have 4 different ones pouring here. This is the Terra. It's Aperol blended with pineapple juice, cream of coconut, Madagascar vanilla, and Prosecco for $16. All right, we're unlocking a new character, weirdly at Universal, because you're like the most Disney person humanly possible. So, but let's do it. You got another drink, so let's hear about it.
So I got the Terra. It is a frozen drink. She's a little bit melted now, but it's basically a frozen Aperol spritz with a floater of Prosecco on top. Here she be. I took a sip of the floater, but they have 2 different frozen drinks that are specialty, and then I think they have frozen daiquiri and pina colada too, but it's just so cute, and the presentation is so good. Ooh. That's good. It's a little bit sweeter than an Aperol Spritz. I believe it has coconut in it as well, but it's very good, and the floater on top is perfect, so you can do a little sip and sip, you know?
Food has arrived. You get a buzzer, it buzzes you. This is the side salad. I got a side salad instead of fries. Let's see what else we got. Oh, that's the hot dog.
That's it.
I mean, makes sense, but you know.
Oh my God.
What else we got? That's a fried cauliflower. That looks delicious. Ooh, a double burger. That does look delicious.
Oh, I can't.
That looks delicious.
Sauce.
Okay. Let's dig in and try this. This is impressive for a pool bar. Now, the thing is, it is attached to the restaurant inside, and they have the same menu. So essentially, they share a kitchen, but Not mad at a pool. All right, all of our food has arrived. Honestly, everything looks and smells so good. So I am very excited to try this. I don't know how I have to keep saying this, but like, we're at a value resort. I believe the room last night was somewhere in the $185 range, which really falls on like brand with a lot of Disney resorts. I will say All-Star and that tend to be a little bit cheaper, but if we're looking at Pop Century or Art of Animation, we're on point and we're at this entire pool bar. So we're gonna dig into the food. Everything looks and smells so good, and I am most excited to try this cauliflower because it has this like soy garlic sauce on it that smells incredible. When I was taking the video, I was like, I want to eat this immediately. So let's try it. First up for food, it's the tempura cauliflower. This is crispy cauliflower with ginger sesame soy dressing for $9. I will say, eat this kind of quick because the sauce is absorbing into the like container that it came in, but I would order this every time. The cauliflower is cooked perfectly. It's crispy and golden. The soy dressing has like fresh garlic in it. It is salty. It's really salty. So if salty is not your thing, you're probably not gonna love this, but I'm a salty person, so I would get this every single time I come here. Next up to try is the Earthshake fried chicken sandwich. This is pickled brine chicken thigh with coleslaw, pickles, ranch aioli on a challah bun for $15.
I got the hot chicken sandwich with sweet potato fries. I already tried the fries because I couldn't wait. They're absolutely delicious. But it has coleslaw and it's spicy, I guess. I don't really know what's on it, but it looks delicious. So it should be spicy. For being a chicken thigh, it's a lot moister than what I thought it was going to be because I feel like chicken thighs can be really dry. It's crispy though on the outside, and this sauce that's on here is really good. I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm a fan. I like it. Should be spicy though. All right, so I'm gonna give the chicken sandwich a go. Again, this looks so good. I am so impressed with this menu. Myah was not joking when she said it has a bit of a kick to it. It definitely is spicy, but that's a good chicken sandwich. And like she said, it's not super dry. We had one on Disney property. It was so dry the other day. This is good, but it's definitely spicy. If you don't like spicy food, do not order this. But if you do, it's a good option. Next up is the Terra Burger. This is a double smash beef patty with cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, cosmic sauce on a challah bun for $16. All right, next up I have the burger, which I don't know if it's on the menu. Editing Bethany will tell me, but it's a double patty, which it looks so good. It's on like a toasted bun. It looks delicious, so let's give it a go. They have condiments available. I think my only complaint about this would be I wish it had a special sauce on it. Like the chicken sandwich has a specialty sauce on it, and I really wish this had like something too, just because I think it would make it a little bit better. But at the same time, I don't even need like mayo or mustard or anything on it. This is a good juicy burger. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this. I would order this again as well. I just feel this menu very impressive. And finally, the hot dog that really needs no introduction. This is the hand twist hot dog for $10. All right, I'm going to be trying the hot dog. I know, this is crazy. But as a hot dog professional, I have to be the one to give this a try. So here we go. I'm not mad at it, actually. The hot dog is good. It's a very large hot dog. Like, I was afraid it was going to be like a skinny hot dog with like a lot of breading, but it's not. Pretty big hot dog. The hot dog is cooked well, and it's like salty, which is how I like it, and the breading's fine. I definitely think like dipping it in ketchup and mustard would like be good, but I like it.
Such a great meal at the pool bar, but after that, we got the notification that our room was in fact ready. One of my top tips is to make sure you check in online before you reach the resort. Throughout my stay, I noticed that the front desk line gets pretty long. If you check in online before you arrive, you actually go to the luggage desk and they give you your keys to your room there. But now let's go off and take a tour of a standard room at Terra Luna. Okay, we've made it into our room. I think we just have a standard room. It's not a theme park view. I don't even know if they have theme park views because we're not really close to the theme park. But walk in, we got a nice full-length mirror. Love that. I'm assuming this is closet space. Nice. A little iron, extra sheets, a luggage rack. And then you're looking into the room, but to the right is the bathroom. There's definitely this interesting window curtain situation going on. We'll address that in a minute, but let's just see. It's really nice in here, like very stark white but clean. I also like that like the facial soap is actually for the hotel. We got some towels, a blow dryer, and then here's the bathroom. Again, a nice shower, not a tub. A nice little foot bar for like shaving your legs. That's nice. Shampoo and conditioner on the wall. More towels. The throne. A Myah. But it is the same air conditioner as Disney, so I bet we can hack it.
It just actually lets you go down to 65. Take a look.
Disney could never.
I can't wait.
And then this is the room. This is really pretty. There are a lot of light switches in this room. Lights that light up the headboard, the ones on the ceiling, so many, but 2 beds, very nice. Over here is your ice bucket and your coffee machine and a fridge, so always a good one. More storage here, which is weird. This is like a bench slash drawer situation, but 4 drawers, so very nice. A little nice phone situation where I would assume this wirelessly charges your phone. So that's nice as well. And they do have USB ports and USB-C ports in addition to the regular plugs. Cute little amp. Everything just looks so new, you know what I mean? Welcome. And then this is our view from our room. So we're looking at the pool. This is interesting. It's a value resort. I believe it was around $180 for the night. I'll put in the exact price now. I booked with my friend Steven. He is like a big Universal fan, and I let him do everything. What's that called? Icon Park?
Yes.
And is that Topgolf?
Yes.
See, look.
And then the convention center is like the one with the
Little things.
dome things. And then that's...
A Hilton.
Yeah.
It says it on the side of the building. Otherwise, I wouldn't know. But yeah, this is a nice little room, though. Very impressed. And I'm excited to go explore some more places tomorrow. We are going to head out to Orlando Informer tonight. So if you're watching this video, the Orlando Informer video is already out. So feel free to go watch that. But I'll pick up tomorrow. Or maybe later tonight when we do something. Who knows? It'll be tomorrow because Orlando Informer goes until 1:30 in the morning. So, but a nice room, and I'm excited to explore the hotel. And if you walk outside of Terra Luna, you will notice another hotel that looks almost identical in the distance. This is Stella Nova. This is their other resort that they recently opened as well. I did stay there as well. I don't have a full report of everything that I did, but I figured I'd give you guys a room tour for a little bit of a comparison. Again, these are the same exact rooms, just different hotels. Stella Nova, let's do a room tour, and you're gonna look and say, wow, that feels like Terra Luna. Stella Luna? What is it, Bethany? Put it here. I can't remember. We're in Stella Nova. Stella Nova. This looks the same. We're in room 5085. Let's take a gander. Same as the other one. A full-length mirror. Love that. And her closet space, which essentially is exactly the same. There is one difference that I've noted. I believe this hotel is slightly more expensive, and I'm going to say the reason why is because you actually can walk over to Epic Universe from here, which you cannot from Terra Luna. But the difference I noticed, bathroom looks the same. We have a bathtub, not a shower, and I don't know if this is like a specific room thing, but I don't know why it would be. So this might be the difference. I'll have to actually go look and do my research on it. But last time we had a shower only and not a bathtub. So that's interesting to note. Everything else remains the same. Our coffee bar, our fridge, the door that is literally too close to the ground. You will stub your toe on it. I warned you. This really weird situation where you can close the curtain, but it really doesn't do much. And again, same like even patterns. Same lamp. The lamp's on the other side of the nightstand this time. That's about it. Everything else is the same. So it's interesting that they're 2 different price points. Again, I believe this one is because you can walk over to Epic Universe. And then we also, again, are on the side. I feel like I'm just giving you the same exact room tour. We're on the side of the pool. So the pool is a little different. It's more elongated over here, if you can kind of tell. And the pool bar is on the left-hand side compared to the other hotel. The pool bar is like back to the right. But you still see the convention center and all this. We're on the opposite side. Epic is behind us. I think straight ahead of us, the roller coasters you can see, I believe that's SeaWorld. So, yeah. Essentially the same exact room. So, I guess your preference is what you'll be doing. I don't believe they're like far apart when it comes to price point. I think it's pretty close together. Better lighting. I think it's pretty close together. So, definitely up to you, but we will walk to Epic tomorrow morning. We checked in this morning. When I checked in, I asked what was the easiest way to get over to Grand Helios, which is on the end of Epic, but it's the opposite end of Epic we can walk to without having to walk through the park. I was like, what's the easiest way to get over there? I said, is it a lift? And they said, yes. Because if we wanted to take the bus system, we'd have to bus to City Walk, which is like 20 to 30 minutes from here, and then bus there, and then bus back. And you cannot walk there because it's on the opposite side of Epic Universe that you would walk into, which I think is a big downfall for them, because even when you go to Disney, you can always bus to something that's close. But I realized today when we were like getting ready to go and realizing we had a Bar Helios reservation tonight, I realized that there's no way this would work out to our advantage. They don't run buses to and from Grand Helios because it's at the end of the park, which is a bummer. Because like I said, if you want to get anywhere in Disney, if you're aiming to go to, I don't know, the Boardwalk or Contemporary, you easily can go to Hollywood Studios or go to Magic Kingdom, and it's a less than 10-minute walk. This is not possible. This would literally take an hour of transportation to go all the way to Universal to come back. Hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into the newest Universal resorts in Orlando. Be sure to come back because every Sunday there is a new theme park themed video. And of course, next week we're back to Disney.